Edwin S. Porter helped make cinema evolve from still, long shots of characters acting very theatrically to using camera movements, close-ups, and even special effects. One of his earliest and most groundbreaking films is Life of an American Fireman, which was made in 1903. The film differed from others at the time for two main reasons: the special effects used and how the narrative was constructed. The film begins with a fire chief sitting in his office, in what could be thinking about those close to him or having a vision of what is yet to come. His thoughts are shown as a spherical shot of a mother putting her child to bed. This was achieved through a process called double exposure. Porter would first record the scene of the fire chief in his office. Notice how the top corner is still very dark, helping to preserve these areas of the film. The same roll of film was then used to film the bedroom scene, making them both appear together in the same shot. The lens would be covered so that only that section of the film stock was exposed to the new scene. Another technique Porter relied upon was the close-up, perhaps most famously used in The Great Train Robbery, also made in 1903. But a similar scene is used in Life of an American Fireman, when a fire alarm is used, alerting the fire department to an emergency. Porter normalized the use of close-ups, and they are still used today to clearly show the emotions of characters or highlight the importance of particular items in the narrative. The construction of narrative. When Alice Guy was experimenting with fiction films and George Méliès had perfected simple narratives, they were both linear, meaning they went from one point to the next until the film had finished. Porter used cross-cutting and jumped between different characters and settings. This is also known as parallel action, in which two or more narratives take place at the same time, and the film will jump between them. Think of any film franchise today with multiple main characters, such as Star Wars or The Avengers, and parallel action is used to switch between different characters and storylines. While the techniques seen in Porter's early work may seem very simple and basic today, they had a huge impact and a lasting influence, one which is still seen today.